Losing my mind. Take two. All right, guys, fall is here and Halloween is coming, so we're gonna make ghost pepper sauce using some seasonal ingredients. Here are the ghost peppers. Extremely fragrant. I wanted to make fermented hot sauce, but these have sat out for a little bit and got a bit of mold, a real threat to a ferment. We're just gonna make a regular hot sauce. I'm gonna bring it to a boil, so you don't have to worry about any sort of bacteria that's on your peppers. These guys are super, super spicy. I think they're delicious. Got kind of a tangerine note, very strong pineapple note, and kind of reminds me of some berries too. Like it reminds me a lot of gooseberry and blackcurrant. So we're gonna prepare these peppers. We're gonna use carrots, use some onion, garlic, ginger, honey, apple cider vinegar, and a little bit of bay for some seasoning. All right, let's start preparing our ingredients.
Grab a chopping board and start removing the stems from your chilies. Discard any parts that are too dark or moldy. Roughly chop your chilies and transfer them to a pot. Now peel half a Spanish onion and dice it into small pieces. Crush and peel a few cloves of garlic and run them through a garlic press. Peel a knob of ginger with a spoon. Peel one medium carrot. Now grate. And add just over a cup of cold water. Give it a little stir. Throw in a bay leaf. And get over medium-high heat. We're gonna simmer this for about 20 to 25 minutes. Once it's ready, crack the lid, put it off to the side, and let it cool. Now we're gonna remove the bay leaf and blend until smooth. So now we're adding our cider vinegar. Adding some honey, and finally some kosher salt. We're starting light and then re-seasoning to taste. So now we're transferring to our jars. If you've added enough vinegar, you don't really have to worry about sterilizing them because bacteria like botulism doesn't really live in low pH environments. Give your mason jars a good seal. Now label, date, and refrigerate.
All right, there you go, guys. Ghost sauce. Let's give it a taste. It really has this beautiful, deep orange to it. Really, really good. The carrots give it a nice foundation. The ginger and the acidity kind of give it some sparkle, but the bujalakia really shines here. It's a very strong, dominant flavor. It's very aromatic. It's very intense. Delicious. It tastes so much like pineapple. It's crazy. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what your favorite hot sauce is. And if you have any recommendations on other peppers to use,